On the morning of 10th August 2024, Class 9th B hosted the morning assembly. The assembly started with pledge and then ran forward with the thought and word of the day.
India is my country. And all Indians are. My brothers and sisters.
Pursue what catches your heart, not what catches your eyes.
Today the word of the day is encapsulate, and its meaning is to summarize something.
Afterwards, the news was presented and Bharat Jano facts were shared with everyone.
Today's news headlines are: India ranked 8th in women's 4 into 400 relay, round 1. Piyash Rijesh to be bearing India's flag with Manu Bhaker for Paris 2024 closing ceremony.
India is the tiger capital of the world. Manu Bhaker made history aplenty at the Paris Olympics 2024 Games. She became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in shooting.
To test the general knowledge of the students, GK questions were also asked along with some amazing facts.
Which country has hosted the most Summer Olympic Games?
USA.
Yes, the correct answer is United States.
Some amazing facts are: number 1, bananas are berries. Number 2, octopus have 3 hearts. Number 3, sharks existed before trees.
To make learning easier, mnemonics was shared and provoked to make your language more attractive.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Selena. Please stands for parenthesis. Excuse stands for exponent. My stands for multiplication. Dear stands for division. Aunt stands for addition. And Selena stands for subtraction.
एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. It take two to make a quill.
Just was a good tip to knowledge. Sunrise and sunset time was shared with temperature of the day.
Today's maximum temperature is 31 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius.
Phrase of moon and number facts too hold significance in the day-to-day life.
0 is the only number that cannot be represented by Roman numerals.
Even today's moon phase is waxing crescent.
The number E is another irrational number, approximately equal to 2.7182.
Hindi Panchang was shared so that we do not separate from cultural roots.
दिनांक 10 अगस्त 2024, दिन शनिवार, विक्रम संवत 2081, तिथि षष्ठी, मास श्रावण, पक्ष शुक्ल पक्ष.
Myths and riddles were spoken to check the critical thinking of the students.
What can run but never walk?
Water.
The correct answer is river.
Myth of the day is eating carrots will give you night vision.
Question of the day was something which can leave us wondering something.
If God made everything, who makes God? On August 10, 1942, rioting and strikes occurred in Bombay and Delhi due to the arrest of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
The assembly was concluded with the speech by the principal sir.
Is abhiyan being taken from the state government, Har Ghar Tiranga. So I request that everybody must participate in this very holy celebration because it is related to all of us, irrespective to caste, religion or creed.
And then national anthem along with pride celebrated the Independence Week. Barla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.